Second verse, not the same as the first? Today we are looking at the other half of this Legacy Wreck and Rule set from 2022. Here we have the mighty Masterdominus, and I bet he never forgets a safe word. This deluxe class Autobot fossilizer is an extensive remold of Ractinite. The main differences are the head and right shoulder, but we also have some new extra parts as well as a different way of arranging the left arm to make it look a little bit different. Articulation is pretty good, mainly made up of swivel and universal joints, but like most fossilizers, you gotta be cautious about parts falling off. Moving up to the head, like Ractinite, you can flip down part of it like a battle mode visor. I just love this. That being said, the paint is the best part, I think. Even though it keeps it from looking like real bones, the addition of black and metallic gold really pop out. For accessories, he has a double tusk weapon. This shield-like armament is molded in gray plastic but has part of it covered in matte black paint. Oh, and the tusks are removable too if you want. Moving on to transformation, we come face to face with the nature of fossilizers once again. These guys are the very definition of parts forming, but I still don't mind it as much with these. Again, with them being bones, it feels appropriate that they come apart and reassemble. So I can totally see why this may not be everyone's cup of tea. That being said, this does feel like an extensive transformation and has quite a few steps to get us to his I didn't write enough here, his Mastodon fossil form. Phew, nailed it. This looks amazing. The paint, the articulation, the way the front legs fall off. Okay, so several people have had problems with some of the joints on this figure, and mine, the holes that connect the forelegs to the knee down, is really loose. It won't necessarily fall apart on its own, but if you mess with the figure, they will eventually work themselves apart. That being said, this is something that can be fixed in various ways. All that aside, I love how this came out, so I'd say he's a welcome part of my fossilizer collection. Not that he needs my permission.